Hello students. In this class we are going to discuss about one of the important named reaction, that is Kenizero reaction. Kenizero reaction, and in this reaction we are going to study the reactions of aldehydes which are having no alpha hydrogens. See, when the aldehydes are having alpha hydrogens, we have discussed in our previous class that they can undergo in an aldol condensation to form aldol. But when the aldehydes are having no alpha hydrogens, then there is a possibility to react each other in presence of sodium hydroxide to form a product. Okay. Uh, Say here we can write the aldehydes which do not containing the aldehydes which do not containing an alpha hydrogen atom on heating with concentrated alkalis like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. Okay, undergo self self oxidation and reduction reactions. When aldehydes which are having no alpha hydrogens are heated with concentrated alkalis, then those aldehydes will undergo self oxidation and reduction reactions. These self oxidation and reduction reactions are also called as a disproportionation reactions. Okay, and in this reaction, after the self oxidation and reduction reaction, in this reaction, one molecule of the aldehyde is reduced sorry is reduced to alcohol, and another molecule will oxidized to carboxylic acid salt. Here, after the disproportionation reaction, that is self oxidation and reduction reactions, in two aldehyde molecules, one aldehyde molecule is reduced to the corresponding alcohol, and the another aldehyde molecule is oxidizing to the carboxylic acid salt. Okay, this is called what? Kenizero reaction. Kenizero reaction is that the reaction which is taking place between the aldehydes which are having no alpha hydrogens in presence of concentrated alkalis. Okay, see, alkalis. See, for example, we can write formaldehyde, HC double bond OH plus HC double bond OH. Instead of this one, we can also write HCHO, 2HCHO. This is what? Formaldehyde. When two molecules of formaldehydes are treated or heated in presence of concentrated sodium hydroxide, one of the formaldehyde will be reduced to the corresponding alcohol, that is methanol. Okay, and another molecule of the aldehyde will be oxidized to the corresponding carboxylic acid salt. Okay, this is a sodium formate, salt of sodium. Like this we can write for benzoic acid, C6H5CHO. This is also not having alpha hydrogens. When it is heated in presence of concentrated sodium hydroxide, one molecule will reduce to form the corresponding alcohol CH2OH. This is benzyl alcohol, correct? And another molecule will be oxidized to C6H5COO minus Na plus, that is sodium salt of benzoate, that is sodium benzoate, correct? This is an example for Kenizero reaction. Okay, and coming to the reaction mechanism, coming to the reaction mechanism, see, it involves following steps. The reaction mechanism for Kenizero reaction involves the following steps. Step number 1 is that the base OH minus from the NaOH attacks the carbonyl group, and there also it will attack the carbonyl carbon to give anion. In first step, the OH minus from the base will attack the carbonyl carbon of one aldehyde to form an anion. And here I am explaining the reaction mechanism by taking benzaldehyde as an aldehyde which is not having alpha hydrogen, that is C6H5 C double bond OH. Okay, and the OH minus, that is hydroxyl group from the base, will attack on this carbonyl carbon, and this pi bond electrons will now move towards the oxygen, and hence here the anion C6H5 CHOHO minus, correct? This is a negatively charged oxygen which is formed by the attack of OH from the base. Then in step 2 what happens? Transfer of hydride ion takes place. The transfer of hydride ion takes place from an ion to the carbonyl carbon of another molecule. See, this anion is there na? And here from this hydride will transfer to the another molecule of aldehyde, H5 C O minus H plus OH, C6H5 C double bond OH, correct? And here this negative charge on the oxygen will delocalize to oxygen carbon single bond, and this carbon with 5 bond it becomes unstable and it will leave this hydrogen along with the bonded pair of electron, and it will attack on this carbonyl carbon of another molecule of aldehyde. Okay, that is called hydride shift. Hydrogen is coming out with the bonded pair of electrons, or we can say the H minus ion is coming, and this pi bond electrons will now move towards oxygen, and here we will get a C6H5 COOH plus C6H5 C double bond OH, C6H5 CH2O minus. Okay, this is called alkoxide ion, and in step 3 shift of proton takes place from this carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid. Shift of proton takes place from carboxylic acid to alkoxide ion. The shift of proton takes place from this carboxylic acid to the alkoxide ion, and this carboxylate ion is there now, then it will again react with the Na plus ion which is there in the reaction medium. This we can write as alkoxide ion to give carboxylate ion which will react with sodium ion to form sodium benzoate. Correct? See, C6H5COOH, this is carboxylic acid, and C6H5CH2O minus, this is alkoxide ion. And here in solution, that is in reaction medium, Na plus are also there, that is sodium ions are also there. The shift of proton takes place from this carboxylic acid to this alkoxide ion, and as the shift of proton is taking place here, we will get a C6H5CH2OH, that is the corresponding alcohol, benzyl alcohol. Correct? Then after the formation of a negative charge on this acid, that is a carboxylate ion, the negative charge will now combine with this sodium to form its corresponding sodium salt, that is C6H5COO minus Na plus, sodium salt of benzoic acid, that is called sodium benzoate. It is called what? Sodium benzoate. Okay, this is the reaction mechanism for Kenizaro reaction. As we have discussed, in aldol condensation there is a possibility of crossed aldol condensation. Here also there is a possibility of crossed Kenizaro reaction. Okay, the Kenizaro reaction is what? It is the reaction between two same aldehydes which are not having alpha hydrogens. But when we are using two different aldehydes which are not having alpha hydrogens, like benzaldehyde and formaldehyde, correct? When we are treating these two aldehydes which are not having alpha hydrogens in presence of concentrated alkalis like sodium hydroxide, one of the aldehyde will form alcohol and the other will form sodium salt of the corresponding carboxylic acid. This is benzyl alcohol and this is a sodium formate. Correct? This is benzyl alcohol and this one is a sodium formate. This is called a crossed Kenizaro reaction. When we are using two molecules of the same aldehydes, we will observe Kenizaro reaction. But when we are performing the reaction between two different aldehydes, we will get a crossed Kenizaro reaction. Okay, and now take assignment question. Explain the Kenizaro reaction with mechanism. Okay, here they are asking to explain the Kenizaro reaction with its reaction mechanism. Thank you.